Car refrigerator model D35. There's a burn for it. Let's check this out. Well packaged. It's called Inor. First of all, there is nice handles. Right now this side a little bit heavier because of the battery and refrigerator components. Okay, the batteries will go in here, so ice will not be needed. And there's a plug too. Okay, it goes this way. There's a little latchet. To take it out, just press the latchet. Nice, it'll sit there in the really well. The batteries need to be charged up, that's fine. First impression, what a really good looking fridge. There's a ruler right here. The clip is nice, very easy to open and close. Locks in good. Has shock absorbers on 4 corners. Pretty cool. Okay, I plugged it in, charging the batteries, and at the same time I could actually turn it on. Oh, Fahrenheit. Okay, max. Okay, we'll do this. Like, what do we need? It's like 33 degrees. Wow, it can go -4 maximum. So for the fridge it's like what, 32 degrees. Eco max. Probably will use it on max because we plugged in. 315 and we at 73 Fahrenheit. I cannot tell if it's on or off. Oh no, wow. There's actually a drain right in the middle in case we do put ice in there or something. Okay, the fridge finally turned on. Took about a minute. It is brand new out of the box. That's what we would expect anyways. And it is very quiet. I could barely hear it. My AC unit like actually louder right now. Okay, it's 338 and it's already at 34 Fahrenheit. Let's open it. And yep, the Celsius, Fahrenheit 36, 37. Right here probably be the coldest. No, this is warmer right here. So, but overall it is about 40, 53 right here. So it takes longer to fully cool off, but this, where it cools off, mostly, is much colder. And if you want it a little bit, colder overall, just turn it down a little bit and it'll be much colder inside there. Works really well and fast. I love it. Got in a fan mail loop zoomable LED flashlight Skywalker SK-01S. Beautiful layer flashlight, so perfect for the pocket. The cover. Whoa, that is cool. Is that like a fidget spinner? Wow, that is awesome. It spins really well. What is this? Spins here too, and it's so flawless, like a fidget spinner right here. That is amazing. Comes with little parts, rechargeable cord, USB-C. Wow, it is spinning a long time. Okay, it's detachable. I guess that's a little finger holder. That's quite nice. Hold it this way or hold it this way, either way. That is so cool. There's an on and off button. Whoa, that is amazing. This is so cool. I cannot take it how nice and comfortable that is. It can go this way too, like a regular way, so that way it does not fall off. Again, if you don't want it, it is easy to remove it. There's a and you know what's amazing? That's a rail, so it is attachable, detachable. That is so cool. Okay, how do we turn it on? I see the light is flashing. Let's see if it's detached. Right here there's a battery, rechargeable battery with USB-C charger. Nice. The battery made by Loop as well. Wow, I'm amazed. I love that red button over here. Okay, turn it on. Ooh, so that's red and blue. Okay, another click. Wow, the whole thing comes out and extends. Whoa, I am so amazed. So in case I wanted to extend it to make it more comfortable, it's extendable. Wow. So the light will be inside here. Okay. Okay, how do I... Oh, this is what it is for. This is extendable. Push and release. Wow! Extendable flashlight to make it more comfortable. For hands like mine, it is actually indeed helpful. So I can hold it this way. Now it actually fits my hand. If it's I release it, it's much smaller than my hands. I love it. So I can just walk around and fidget with this. Okay, now I'm going to do press and hold. Okay, there's a moonlight. Press and hold. Double click. Ooh, super bright. Ooh, it is really hot. And then a press and hold very low. So there's quite a few moods. The triple click, it will click like that. Double click, it is very hot. Wow. Ooh, I wouldn't run it for too long because it's very hot. And then back to two moods right here, brighter and lower. Double click, super bright. Press and hold, very low, like a moonlight. There is the instructions how to activate all the moods. There is a titanium alloy, silver, black, and mine is aluminum alloyed gray. You know what's amazing? It's already pretty lightweight. Probably the most heaviest thing is the battery, but titanium would be even lighter. I love that flashlight so much. There is a lumen chart and it goes up to 1600 lumens. Incredibly powerful. Amazing. Wall charger power bank, but also it's magnetized to the phone. Let's try it out, see what it looks like. Beautiful. That's a magnetic part that can go into the wall and plug in into the phone or wherever we're charging. Looks like there's 3 bars and a wireless letting us know if it's charging or not. So very smooth non-stick design. Feels really good to touch it. I have a phone right here. Let's try it out. Oh wow, it's charging 29%, and usually charging like that is a lot faster. So I'm at 29%. We'll leave it like this and see how much it will charge. There's a green dot letting us know that is charging this power bank. It does fall off a little bit, but nevertheless the charger is very powerful. I like that. So this is a stick on to the case, I guess, to make it more powerful. I guess this is a stick on to a case to make it even more like durable to stick on it. Let's try it. Yeah, it looks like metal with a magnet, and I'll just cover it up right on top of it. Oh, it doesn't look bad at all. It just like have another ring. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, it's charging. And wow, with that stick-on magnet, I really have to shake it to detach it. It sits in there really well. Anyways, let's see how much it will charge. I probably will be kind of hold on to it anyways. I'm at 30% already. So we'll 144, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes, see how fast it will charge. Okay, it's 2:06. It's been more than 20 minutes and it's at 48%. That is amazing. So charging it really fast. Flex tail, outdoor mosquito repellent and camping light. Comes with a charger. Got double click to turn it on, and it's 50 lumen, 100 lumen, 200 lumen, 400 lumen, which is really bright. Look at that, overexposing the camera. It has a tripod screw. Okay, double click and it will heat up. Also it has a magnet. That is nice, really strong magnet. So replacement parts does not come with it. There will be 2, and replacement parts supposed to come with already saturated ones. Plug them in, it will heat up and it will emit this mosquito repellent. But overall pretty unique gadget. Let me know in comments below what do you think. This is probably the smallest tire inflator I've seen. Comes with your plug or battery charger, and then press on. And look, the PSI going up. And let's see if it's auto shut off. You see? I just plugged the entrance and it's auto shut off. pretty easily goes in auto shut off. That's good. Okay, it's 31 psi right now. We need 35. Most important, on my car it's showing 34 psi. This is the tire we're doing, and on the sensor it does 34. It says right here 34 as well. Now it's 35. So that's pretty awesome. And whenever I detach it, it actually does not lose air much. That is so good. So the connector is high quality too. Usually this connector loses a lot of air by the time I take it down.